Stick around, we'll get to the battle footage in just a moment, but first, a little background to kind of fill you guys in what's going on. What you're about to see is a simulated French Resistance Maquis battle during the D-Day 2025 reenactment. It is set a little later into the war, where the Maquis were operating alongside of Allied troops, in this case, Allied SAS. German troops are in the process in this scenario of mining a bridge. Off camera, French civilians are stopped, searched, and roughly handled. At the same time, French resistance fighters are stealthily moving into place, spread throughout the woods, concealed and waiting for the action to begin. My group is positioned off to the side in a narrow wooded strip along a stream, close enough to strike, but still hidden from the German view. Another Maquis element opens the fight with a few shots. That's our signal. We move in and begin engaging. As we advance, you'll notice for a brief moment where a couple of German troops on the side almost seem invincible despite being at close range and taking fire. Nothing intentional here, just one of those reenactment moments where awareness lags for a few seconds before the fight snaps everything back into place. You'll notice they do take hits once they notice that we're firing at them. As we push up to the bridge, we pause. A German soldier is down just on the other side of the wall, too close to fire blanks without muzzle blasting him, so we hold our fire. That pause turns into a quick regroup, checking the positions, gathering intelligence, and deciding how to finish the fight. Fast forwarding a little bit, once the battle dies down, you'll see some German prisoners are taken. That places this scenario a little later into the conflict, where Allied troops, like in this case the SAS, are operating alongside of resistance forces, and the conditions have shifted enough that they are able to take prisoners. In some circumstances even, the resistance up ahead of where the Allies were would take prisoners and hold them until the Allies could catch up and then take those prisoners themselves. So with that historical context and a little bit of background, it's time to roll the footage.
This video is a safe, scripted reenactment of historical events. Participants are not actually shooting each other. All actions simulated for educational and entertainment purposes and should not be recreated.
Jose? Jose! C'est bon! Yeah. Don't follow these things. Yeah, check that wall. Just stay here. Yeah, okay, we're going to stay behind them and don't fire until we get the other side. On the back! Come back! Come back! a descend. On peut pas, s'il vous plaît. On a descend. Et tout. Et tout. Nein, nein, nein. Nein, nein. Nein. Vi kamerader, nein, nein. Level. Vive le France! Vive le France!
Oh, boy.
Alles gut? Ich hoffe, das war der. Помогите мне, суки! Fick dich, Junge! Lève les mains! Lève les mains! Мена, ник попал! Я ранен, блядь, суки! Compare, c'était compétent! Dani! Dani, mach du was, Dani! The boss, huh? We are victorious! Alright, it doesn't make your order. Up! You'll get killed again. Thank you. This was automatic. This was yours, right? No. There you go. Good job, guys.
Good show, guys. Good show.
All right, let's
Someone's
clear.
canteen.
Yeah, mine.
Wine bottles from the walk down.
It took them a long time to find out that there was fire. I know, yeah. Avec moi! No, I know. I was right here when the battle started. I'm like, dude, there's 4 people I just ran down. I'm like, I have to run over here. I like passed mine, like, no people there. I was running to the first one. Get the magazine out.
At the very end, you noticed a few things that happened. There was the after battle reset, weapons cleared, rolls dropped, and the reenactment transitioned back to normal. This is more of a behind the scenes. These moments don't usually make their way into films and videos, but they're part of what makes reenactment both a safe tribute, a learning tool, and a good hobby. If you enjoyed this video, consider liking, subscribing, and tapping the hype button if it is available. It really helps more people find these videos and stories. Drop a comment down below. What detail from this engagement surprised you the most? This is Brave Builds, where history, kit, and reenactment come together to help us build a better understanding of their bravery, because their story deserves to be remembered.